Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of achieving youthful skin through delicious homemade anti-aging juice combos. Maintaining youthful skin is essential not just for aesthetics, but also for boosting confidence and overall well-being. Did you know that nutrition plays a vital role in skin health? The right nutrients can help combat signs of aging, keeping your skin looking vibrant and fresh. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of using natural ingredients in your juices. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, these ingredients work wonders for your skin, helping to reduce wrinkles and improve elasticity. Plus, they're free from harmful chemicals often found in commercial products. Get ready to discover some exciting juice combinations that are not only tasty, but also packed with skin-loving nutrients. From refreshing green blends to fruity delights, you'll learn how to whip up these rejuvenating drinks right in your kitchen. Let's get started on this journey to radiant skin. 1. Carrot, orange, and ginger. Let's talk about the vibrant juice combo of carrot, orange, and ginger, a powerhouse for skin rejuvenation. First, carrots are loaded with vitamin A, crucial for skin repair and regeneration. This nutrient helps to maintain healthy skin by promoting cell turnover, giving you that youthful glow. Next, we have oranges, which are rich in vitamin C. This essential vitamin plays a key role in collagen production, a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. By incorporating oranges into your juice, you're not only enhancing flavor, but also boosting your skin's resilience against aging. Finally, let's not forget about ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help reduce skin irritation and redness, making it a fantastic addition to this juice combo. Together, these ingredients create a delicious and nutritious drink that nourishes your skin from the inside out, helping you achieve that radiant, youthful complexion you desire. Cheers to glowing skin. 2. Cucumber, apple, and kale. Let's explore the hydrating and nutrient-rich properties of the refreshing juice made from cucumber, apple, and kale. First and foremost, cucumbers are known for their incredible hydrating effects. With a high water content, they help maintain skin elasticity, keeping your complexion plump and youthful. Staying hydrated is essential for achieving that dewy glow we all desire. Next, we have apples, which are packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds combat free radicals that contribute to aging, helping to protect your skin from damage and promoting a more youthful appearance. Including apples in your juice not only adds a touch of sweetness, but also boosts your skin's defenses. Finally, let's talk about kale. This leafy green is rich in vitamin K, which plays a vital role in skin healing and reducing dark circles. By incorporating kale into your juice, you're giving your skin the support it needs to recover and thrive. Together, these ingredients create a deliciously refreshing drink that nourishes and revitalizes your skin. 3. Beet, pineapple, and lemon. Let's uncover the detoxifying and brightening effects of the vibrant juice blend made from beet, pineapple, and lemon. Starting with beets, these root vegetables are fantastic for improving blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin, enhancing your natural glow and giving you that radiant complexion we all crave. Next up is pineapple, which contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its exfoliating properties. Bromelain helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and more even skin tone. This tropical fruit not only adds a delicious sweetness to your juice, but also works wonders for your skin's texture. Finally, we have lemon, a powerhouse of vitamin C. This essential nutrient aids in skin brightening and clarity, helping to reduce dark spots and promote an overall luminous appearance. Together, these ingredients create a refreshing juice that detoxifies your body, while giving your skin the boost it needs to shine brightly. Cheers to a healthier, more radiant you. 4. Spinach, pear, and avocado. Let's highlight the nourishing and moisturizing benefits of this creamy spinach, pear, and avocado juice. Starting with spinach, this leafy green is packed with iron, which is essential for promoting healthy blood flow to the skin. Improved circulation means that your skin receives more oxygen and nutrients, resulting in a vibrant and healthy complexion. Next, we have pears, which are rich in fiber. This fiber content aids in detoxification, helping to eliminate toxins from your body and leading to clearer skin. By incorporating pears into your juice, you're not only adding a subtle sweetness, but also supporting your skin's natural cleansing processes. Finally, let's talk about avocado. Known for its healthy fats, avocado provides deep hydration and nourishment to your skin. These fats help to lock in moisture, keeping your skin soft and supple. Together, these ingredients create a deliciously creamy juice that nourishes your body and promotes a radiant, hydrated complexion. Enjoy this blend for a refreshing boost to your skincare routine. 5. Tomato, celery, and red bell pepper. Let's explain how this vibrant juice combo can protect and rejuvenate your skin. First up, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its sun protection properties. Lycopene helps to shield your skin from harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of sun damage and promoting a healthier complexion. Next, we have celery, which is not only hydrating but also plays a crucial role in reducing skin puffiness. Its high water content helps to keep your skin hydrated, while its natural anti-inflammatory properties can soothe and calm irritated skin. Including celery in your juice ensures that your skin stays refreshed and revitalized. Finally, let's talk about red bell peppers. These colorful veggies are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen is vital for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This juice combo offers a delicious way to protect and rejuvenate your skin, giving you a radiant and youthful glow. 6. Watermelon, mint, and lime. Let's describe the refreshing and cooling effects of this hydrating juice made from watermelon, mint, and lime. Watermelon is renowned for its high water content, making it an excellent choice for skin hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining a plump and youthful complexion, and watermelon helps quench your skin's thirst from the inside out. Next, we have mint, which adds a delightful flavor and offers soothing properties that can help calm irritated skin. Mint's natural cooling effect can provide relief from redness and inflammation, making this juice a perfect choice for those hot summer days or after sun exposure. Finally, let's not overlook lime. This zesty fruit is packed with vitamin C, which is essential for brightening the skin and reducing dark spots. Lime helps to promote an even skin tone, giving you that fresh, radiant look. Together, these ingredients create a deliciously refreshing juice that hydrates, soothes, and brightens your skin, making it a must-try for anyone seeking a revitalizing treat. 7. Papaya, mango, and turmeric. Let's explore the anti-inflammatory and exfoliating benefits of this tropical juice made from papaya, mango, and turmeric. Starting with papaya, this delicious fruit contains natural enzymes, particularly papain, which help to gently exfoliate dead skin cells. This exfoliation reveals a smoother and more radiant complexion, making papaya a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Next, we have mango, which is rich in vitamins A and C. Vitamin A promotes skin repair and regeneration, while vitamin C is essential for brightening the skin and reducing the appearance of dark spots. Together, these vitamins work to enhance your skin's overall health and luminosity, giving you that sun-kissed glow. Finally, let's talk about turmeric. Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can help reduce redness and soothe irritated skin. This makes it an excellent ingredient for calming inflammation and promoting an even skin tone. Together, this tropical juice blend offers a delicious way to nourish your skin while providing exfoliating and anti-inflammatory benefits for a vibrant, healthy look. 8. Blueberry, pomegranate, and chia seeds. Let's unveil the antioxidant powerhouse of this nutrient-dense juice made from blueberries, pomegranate, and chia seeds. First, blueberries are renowned for their high antioxidant content, which plays a crucial role in fighting aging. These tiny berries are packed with anthocyanins, compounds that help combat free radicals and protect your skin from oxidative stress, promoting a youthful appearance. Next, we have pomegranate, a fruit celebrated for its ability to improve skin texture and elasticity. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, pomegranate helps to stimulate collagen production, resulting in firmer and smoother skin. Including pomegranate in your juice not only enhances flavor, but also supports your skin's overall health. Finally, let's highlight chia seeds, which are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats nourish and hydrate the skin, helping to maintain its moisture barrier and prevent dryness. Together, this juice blend offers a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake while nourishing your skin, making it a perfect addition to your wellness routine. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored some fantastic juice combinations that can help you achieve youthful, radiant skin. We discussed the benefits of carrot, orange, and ginger juice, highlighting its ability to promote skin repair and reduce irritation. The cucumber, apple, and kale blend was shown to hydrate and detoxify, while the beet, pineapple, and lemon combo offered detoxifying and brightening effects. We also uncovered the nourishing properties of the spinach, pear, and avocado juice, and the protective benefits of the tomato, celery, and red bell pepper mix. Lastly, we highlighted the anti-inflammatory and exfoliating advantages of the papaya, mango, and turmeric juice, along with the antioxidant powerhouse of the blueberry, pomegranate, and chia seeds blend. We encourage you to try these delicious recipes for healthier skin and experience the benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends for more content on skincare and wellness. Thank you for watching, and here's to your journey toward glowing skin.